Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about scheduled annotation, which is supported by the Spring Framework. What do we need? Why do we need a scheduled annotation to schedule a task using Spring Framework? Say, for example, you have a method in your real application, say execute. The execute method has to be called every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, or at the scheduled time, say 9:30 p.m. You don't have to do, you can inform the Spring Framework. The Spring Framework will take the complete responsibility to call your method every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, or any scheduled time you can specify. Processing of schedule annotation is performed by scheduled annotation bean post processor. And if you're using Spring 3 Java config, you can use enable scheduling. Actually, I'm using Spring 3 Java configuration. So in this Java configuration, I have to inform the Spring Framework to detect this schedule annotations in my bean. So if I don't include this enable scheduling annotation, my schedule annotation will not be detected at all. So this method will not work at all. That's what I'm trying to say. So enable scheduling is very important. So in my bean, this is the bean, text editor is a bean, because I have marked it as a component, and I have a method called read file, a very simple method, and I have marked this method as scheduled and with a cron expression. Why do we need a cron expression? Cron expression is to inform the Spring Framework how often this method has to be called. In this expression, I have mentioned every 2 seconds Spring Framework has to call this method. I will run this program so that you can understand. So this method will be called by the Spring Framework every 2 seconds because I have marked it as a scheduled and I am using enable scheduling. Let me run this program so that you can understand. So Spring is going to load the context, then it's going to call my method every 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm not doing anything. I've just informed the Spring Framework, and the Spring Framework behind the scene does a lot of things to make this method run for every 2 seconds. Hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you and all the best.